Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Photomath app. So all you have to do in the first, so you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, just keep going down. You click on apps here, then you come to apps list. And here you're looking for Photomath app. Just click on search. Then here add Photomath. It's going to show for you like this here. You click on it. So then you come to next step here. Click on for stop. Click on OK. Then you go down. Just click on storage. You come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do. So you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. I wish you a great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.